Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and it's Confessions of a Blind Man. No, not the 1970s films, but the jobs I meant to do and bought parts for in 2025 and never got around to doing. The simple jobs that just got shoved to the back of the list while we pulled engines and fitted clutches. So, number one, squeaky steering wheel on Lawrence. It's been like that since we bought it, and I still haven't fixed it. Sounds like a pair of mating hamsters. It's annoying me, but I still haven't got round to doing it. Number two, the classic interior light. It's been like it since we've had it. Haven't fixed it. Bought the new parts. Still sat in the house. I still haven't fixed it. It's another job for next year, maybe. Number three, the hinge pin on this door here is worn. Very common driver's side door, as you can see. I'm lifting it up to shut it. All I need to do is pull the door, put a new hinge pin in. Only takes about an hour, and I still haven't done it. It's another job for 2026. So, number four, under this blanket is our stalwart 1961 South African Morris, who just keeps going and going and going. 60,000 miles on the road with us. God knows how many thousand miles before us. And it's had a very slight weep on the oil seal for the last decade. There it is, and I still haven't fitted it. I must do it next year. Number five, when we took the front end of the car off to do the engine bay and put a new clutch on, I took this lovely bumper off and forgot to put it in the workshop, so it never got done. We just banged it back on, and as you can see, it needs either a new valance or repairing, and so there we go. Number five, the valance. And not only that, after 10 years of bodging the doors, as you can see here, bottom of the doors, pretty standard for a moggy to blow the bottom of the doors here. These have been like this for a decade. Every couple of years we have a go at them, but we never properly fix them. We never take the doors off. Weld in new repair panels, or get somebody to weld in new repair panels, have them resprayed and put back on, because frankly for 800 quid, I'm not doing that. This car's only worth about 3 grand, and spending 800 quid on each door, it's not worthwhile, unfortunately, so we just bodge it. And it doesn't lasts about 18 months and they blow through again. Fairly standard on a moggy, but the doors are solid, just a few holes in the bottom here, and they're slowly rotting away. But eventually we will repair them properly, and there we go. So, what jobs last year, 2025, have you should have done but never got round to doing? Drop us a comment in the section below and let us know. And there we go.